Good morning, Atlanta. We are back taking a look at your local weather. My name is Evan, and I will be giving you your weather brief today for the next couple of days. Currently, the synopsis is we have let me make sure I have my programs running correctly so I can draw on the screen. Didn't always forget this. Okay, so we have currently a shortwave trough situated over Alabama, and it's progressing into Georgia, and with the cold front ahead of it right here, producing some showers and thunderstorms along the eastern seaboard. And this low is beginning to mature and occlude, so we're having some wraparound showers and some thunderstorms on the back end of this low. Okay, let's take a look at the radar. I'm going to zoom in on this radar as we go in, but here you can see your instability is staying towards the south over Florida, southern Georgia, and southern Alabama, although there is some lightning strikes a little west of Atlanta. I don't anticipate any cloud to ground lightning strikes. Most it should be in cloud. Excuse me. So no significant impacts there. As most of your energy will remain south, and that's where most of the energy for the thunderstorms will go. Okay, we zoom in a little bit here. We can see these showers and thunderstorms over around like Carroll and Douglas County, southern Fulton, entering southern Fulton County, and currently over KATL and KPDK, KMGE, all within the mid-50s and matching dew points of 54, 53, so it's very humid outside right now. So if you're running, drink a lot of water, and if you're not evaporating sweat, then that's a problem, because well, it's starting to warm up now, so people are wanting to exercise outside. So remember that if you're not evaporating sweat, then you've got a problem, and that's either the case of you're soaking in sweat and you can't evaporate it, or you stop sweating. And if you stop sweating, that's the biggest problem, but that only occurs in the heavy sunlight. Okay, so our surface analysis shows a very broad low over the southeastern states, which is, I'm not going to say it's unusual, but I mean, it happens, but it just looks funny. It's not very tightly organized as far as the baroclinicity of this this mid-latitude cyclone. So this high pressure right here, this high pressure will sink towards the southeast, and it'll begin to modify into maritime tropical. So we're not going to get the central part of this high pressure, we're going to get the bottom of it. So temperatures will modify more down here than they will up here. Okay, so and I want to show you that on what that looks like on the service chart models of the GFS. So as you can see, here's a perfect example. So as you can see, you still got lingering lower 20s up in Pennsylvania, but that's winter weather, and their seasons haven't changed. I couldn't imagine living up there. Absolutely brutal. But we're stuck with lower 40s, seemingly for the low, and then about upper 60s for the high. And then after this, the low, this low will deepen off the coast and it'll sort of wedge this high pressure into the south, and it'll probably cause some isentropic lifting along with this warm front that's associated with this southerly flow off the Gulf. And here we're not anticipating severe weather. I'm not. The National Weather Service gave it a chance. They said low chance, and that's just because simply the models can change. I get it, but for the past couple of runs now, they've been absolute duds as far as instability is concerned. And the most harrowing output model was the NAM showing some slight sub 1,000 joules per kilogram of cape, of mixed layer cape actually, and some bulk shear values around like 50 or 60 knots. So that's just a regular thunderstorm. That's not severe weather. That would be for, when is that for? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Be around for Tuesday the 26th. Yeah, Tuesday the 26th is when you can expect these thunderstorms, and then it'll be non-severe. So it looks like the raining trend will continue, and we won't have to worry about pollen collecting. That's good news. So, I mean, it's pretty all good at forecast. There's no danger. There's no wild freak hurricanes forming in March, or there's no blizzard still going on really. I don't have an update on the wildfires in Texas. I probably should do that. You can see them from visible satellite, and but the easiest way to view it is Colorado State University will, I think it's Colorado State. It might be Colorado, I forgot. I have a bookmark right here. Let's see. No. Well, I can't find it. Oh well. Anyways, so as far as investing into more weather software, I'm going to invest in, I'm just playing around with the models here while I talk. I'm going to invest in some paid models, especially like the European model, so I can view a full output of that and brief people on that, because that's also something good to look at, because it's a medium range model technically. But that, and I'm going to start using this right here, which is Finmock weather map, and it's ran by the United States Navy, and you can essentially look at weather anywhere around the world. So right here, let's look at China, or Japan area. Where's North? South Korea is up here. South Korea is right. South Korea is right here. Okay, just let you know. Japan, right here. Okay. China, right here. Vietnam. I think like Bangladesh, Dhaka. Or whatever that city's called. I'm not sure what it's called. Russia's right here. No, that's South Korea. Never mind. I got confused again. No, South Korea's right here. That is Russia right there. Okay. All right. Now we got that settled. Okay, so it's windy in South Korea and North Korea. So let's take a look at their temperatures. See how they're doing. And those temps are in Celsius, by the way, not Fahrenheit. So it is not negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit in North Korea. It's negative 10 degrees Celsius, which is still pretty cold. God. So I'm just ranting about communist countries. Just be okay. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to end it here. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.